Hi, Julie Wolf here, Northwest Permaculture Convergence. I'm in the Google account for info at northwestpermaculture.org Google account and Gmail inbox. And there's these Zoom cloud recording has been disabled messages that come use when our account has used up all of the available cloud storage space. So that's when we do the Zoom recording management, basically downloading and deleting recordings from Zoom and storing them somewhere else, usually our YouTube channel, which is in the it's not this account that has a YouTube. It's a different Gmail account. I'm showing how I'm setting up a filter to forward it to the person who's taking responsibility for managing our Zoom recordings. Okay, I had to go back to the inbox and put this search to get this to show up. So I checked one of these, and the idea is to forward this to somebody else. So I'm going to click this little more ellipsis thing and filter messages like these and say the subject has to be Zoom cloud recording has been disabled. I'm going to create the filter, make sure that it's definitely important, always mark it as important, but mostly forward it to the person taking care of this. Now, if it's the same person who's managing the inbox here in our Google account, then this should already be in here. Right now I'm the one managing it, so there's my email address. I'm attempting to add a forwarding address, which the person who's going to be helping with this needs to confirm. So I've already gone through that process, but basically you have to choose from the pull down. She hasn't confirmed, so there is no other choice other than mine at the moment. She should show up here when or they would show up here once they confirm approve a forwarding address. Okay, so we're going to create the filter, and we need to verify it's you to continue. Follow the steps in the secure Google verification pop-up once you click continue. It's sending to my phone, so I'm going to take care of that. And on my phone, I'm going to say, yes, it's me. Where's the notification on my phone? I'm going to pause this for a second. Okay, I entered the number, and your filter was created. Let's just see if we can find the filter now. See all settings, filters and blocked addresses. Here we go. Do this, forward to Julie Wolf. Anything with the subject Zoom cloud recording has been disabled. So again, I'm already getting all the emails for the inbox because I've basically been the secretary for years. Now I'm the president, it's somebody else's turn to take over, so I need to be able to forward these emails with subject Zoom cloud recording has been disabled to someone else. So once she verifies, all of these emails will go to her or them, whoever that is. And once again, these emails, the purpose is, let's go get them, is to make sure that we can do recordings. If our ability to do cloud recordings is disabled because we've overused our storage, then we won't be able to record something, a scheduled speaker series, speaker coming up, or anything else we want to record. Community meetings, board meetings, etc. So we need to manage that, and I have a different tutorial for that. Zoom management with its steps, and we're making a recording of that as well. How to basically log into Zoom and log into YouTube, upload the recordings to YouTube and delete them from Zoom so that we can do recordings without having to pay more for Zoom. Thanks for watching.